Since January, yung payables po nila, hindi po talaga nabawasan pa rin.
Hindi pa rin. Kasi itong data na to, nasa city treasurer na to.
Last question na po, my
Yes, please.
Sir, kumusta po yung transition ninyo?
Hindi ko lang kung nagkaroon ng transition kasi report kanina ng DILG maraming initial report ng DILG maraming hindi pinasang dokumento. Saka sa patagal ko na rin sa gobyerno ng Manila, ngayon ako nakakita ng transition na 2 beses lang ng meeting. Isang meeting tapos wala na tapos nabigyan na ng dokumento. You know, I have to give it to Mayor Lee Cochesa, and Mayor Abstrado. There is a very good transition. Walang ampalaya.
Ano yung pagkabot na lang, sir? Are you open for reconciliation sa previous administration?
I am open to reconciliation, but my emotion and relationship to them is the least problem of the city. Saka ko na problemahin yung sila ba ay magbubuti, hindi na ba sila magsisimangot, hindi na ba sila naiinis. Hindi, kasi that's emotion eh. That's personal. That's nothing to do with public service. Ngayon, tao muna. Problema muna ng syudad. Hindi yung mga kapritsyo lang namin o relasyon namin. Kasi yung tao umaasa. And they've been longing for the government, the city government of Manila to happen the matter since last month. But sabi ko nga sa'yo, nagtingang kawali ang lahat. But you know, that's water under the bridge. We move on with our lives. We don't point fingers. We confront the problem. We value the people who put us here. Yun muna. Yung emosyon ko, yung relasyon ko, baliwala yun. Walang kwento. Saka ngayon, but I am willing. Hindi lang ako interesado ngayon dahil ang daming suliranin.